This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You'll start by preparing the device and attempting the fastest fix. First, make sure the Tecno has at least half battery and you've backed up photos and contacts. Remove any case and inspect the volume keys for dirt or a stuck position, because a held volume key forces safe mode. Now press and hold power, choose restart, and let the phone boot normally. Once done, confirm whether safe mode text is gone from the corner. If it persists, move to targeted steps. If a simple restart fails, you'll force an exit and inspect software causes. Use power, then long press power off to trigger the safe mode prompt. Cancel or choose normal reboot while ensuring no volume key is held. Once booted, remove recently installed apps that could cause boot issues, starting with anything installed just before the problem. If the phone still boots into safe mode, boot into recovery and clear the cache partition to remove corrupt temporary files without erasing personal data. Then reboot. To finish. If software steps don't work, you'll either reset the phone or fix hardware. A factory reset clears lingering system-level problems. Go to Settings, System, Reset, erase all data after backing up. If safe mode returns even after reset, a stuck or faulty volume button or flex cable is likely. Have it inspected or replaced. Make sure to test without the SD card and with another SIM to rule out peripheral conflicts. If safe mode persists, contact Tecno service for board-level diagnostics.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.